Clevermonte found his ball. Oops, oops, oops. There we go. The Clevermonte found his ball. What are you doing? Would you like me to hide that again? So that you can have something to do? Shall I hide it? What do you think? Huh? Mami Gina. Thank you, Sisi. Whoops, whoops. Naku, may tamaan yung ating live. Hindi siya napagod. Hindi kami nag-ano yung maulan kasi. Diba? Ganun ka. Galing si Monty. Drop! Drop! Okay, go. Move! Move! Further! Move! Further! Yes, move! Move! You can catch it. Move further. Oh, okay. Hindi natin napagod. Kasi muulan, hindi ko pinatakbo. Diba? Galing yan. Ready? Are you ready? Yes? Watch out. Drop it, drop. Get ready? Oh! Drop! Ay! Oh my God. Move further! Move further! Come on! I want you to move! Okay, there we go. Masaway tayo eh. I want you to move further. Yes, move. All right. I heard you. Oh, Allah. Ilang taon? Ano yata ito ate? Mga 5 or 7? 7 yata. Galing na. Nakakuha na ako ng highlights eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung naging highlights ko. Magtrabaho pa, Koy! Slimy. Oops. What was that? Basura? Oh, magaling sumalo ate. Tingnan mo. Kita ba? Dali lang. Tingnan mo te. Galing, no? Ready?